Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to find camera setting in Redmi 14C device. So guys, first of all you have to open up the camera, and as you guys know clearly that we have these options for a camera like time lapse, video, photo, portrait, night mode and also 50 megapixel camera. So but if we're talking about the settings, so all you guys have to do just tap on this option, and here we have a flashlight option, shutter type, aspect ratio, tilt shift, grid lines, time burst, timer and watermark. Here we also have a icon of a setting, so just tap on the settings. Now talking about the camera settings guys, we have the option of a scan QR code here. We can also disable this feature from here. If we're talking about the notify about orientation, so yes, we can also enable this option. Okay, on the third one we have a picture quality guys, so just tap here, and here we have three types of quality: high, standard and low. As it is already set to standard, so I am just setting it up to high. So whenever I capture any picture, the quality of the picture is very high. Then we have a mirror front camera option. We can also disable this feature and enable this feature from here. Talking about the auto frame rate, so yes, reduce frame rate for videos in low light or high temperature environment automatically. Redmi 14C can easily reduce frame rate for videos for a light or high temperature automatically guys. And if you're talking about the video encoder, so yes, we have also compatibility and high performance options here. We can set a volume button function for a timer, shutter, zoom, volume. Guys, if you want to save location info, you can also save the location info, shutter sound and anti-bending. We have 50 Hz, 60 Hz and auto. So I guess 50 Hz is quite good. So these are all the camera settings guys, which can be done before any users of camera. So that's pretty much about the video guys. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.